Consumable item business is one of the best business you can actually roll with at this era. I have been in consumable item business for the past 17 years, and this has birthed a lot of other businesses which have been of great benefit to my business world. Egg business is one of the one I'm introducing to you today. I have been in egg business for that long. I started just with 20 crates, and today I've been able to run average of 1,500, 3,000 crates every week. How do you need to get this business started? That is what I'll be taking you up on this training. You want to be the next egg depot in your Environ? You want to know how to source for the egg? You want to also know how to use the online platform to drive this business massively. I've got your back in this training. What do you need to do? All the necessary social media activity, tools, strategies that you need to be able to get this business to the next level is what I'll be taking you on. In case you are the person I'm talking to, you want to get a business started and learn how to massively roll with it and make great success with it. Now is the time for you to join the platform. I have opportunity to take just few slots to work with. If you are that person, click on the link below to join my training platform where I'll be taking you step by step on how to set up an egg depot, how to use the online platform to make great success with it, and how to also explore your business online massively, having a sales letter to beautify your shop online and also use it to make great success with the business. So click the link below to join us inside. See you inside.